What's up guys, and welcome to another video on this channel. In this video I would like to show you a scalping strategy that helped me to gain over 1800% on my account in total growth with 100 trades, which I totally backtested. So I would say we will start right away with the setup of the strategy. And first of all, I will clean up my page and then let's start to add the indicators together. So the first indicator that we need is the UT-bot alerts from Quant Nomad. And we will have to do some minor changes. So we will set the key value to 3 and the ATR period to 5. The style, we will uncheck the bar colors, so these two boxes. And that's it with this indicator. The second indicator which we will need is the buy sell wait indicator from Trend CI Hoka. I know right now it looks very messy, but let's start to clean this up. So in the inputs we can leave everything like it is. In the style, the only box we will need to check is the trend CI, and all other boxes we will uncheck. So just like this. And now we only get the buy and the sell and this line. The third and the last indicator which we are looking for is the Donchian trend ribbon indicator. And just to clean it up, maybe we can uncheck the labels on the price scale and the values in the status line. And that's all what we need. So this is our setup. Then we are using the standard candles in the bar, and as a time frame we use the 1 minute time frame. And I would say let's look now into the strategy and to see which are the buy and the sell signals and how we can trade this strategy. So what are the signals for a long signal? Let's quickly write that one down. So for a long trade, we want first, we want to have a long signal, obviously. So long signal. Then the second condition is that this line over here has to change its color from red to green. So like here, it changes from red to green. This is our next condition. So we have green line. The last condition is that the Donchian trend ribbon has to be green as well. So I just write it down a little bit shorter. So the trend ribbon is green as well. These are all the three conditions that has to be valid. And when we take now our look over here, we can see the line changes its color from red to green. So this is the first condition. We get a long signal, and at the long signal we are green over here in the line, and the trend ribbon is green as well. So this is now our long signal. Our stop loss will be right over here underneath the candle where we got the buy signal, and we are looking for a risk reward ratio of 2.0. So this would have been our trade, and as you can see, within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes we would have made a profit of 2% of our capital, or 2x of our capital that we have invested. One important step, we only trade the first signal in a line. So for example, if you would now get here a sell signal, we wouldn't trade it for sure, because all the other two conditions are not given. But let's assume we would get now our next buy signal over here. For whatever reason, we would get here one. We wouldn't trade it because we already have traded our signal over here. So we have already traded this line movement. So the same rules apply for a sell signal. So let's write our conditions down. So for a sell trade or for a short trade, it's better. First, we are looking for a sell signal. Second, we are looking for a red line. And third, we are looking for a red, I say now DTR or Donchian Trend Ribbon, so a red DTR bar. And we got a very good example over here. As you can see, we get our sell signal over here, but the only condition which is valid right now is the sell signal. So neither the line or the Donchian Trend Ribbon are red, so we will not start into the trade over here. So we will wait until the line changes red, which is here, and in the same candle the DTR bar will change from green to red. So this is our first candle which has all three conditions valid. So we will open our position just immediately after this candle closed. So over here, our stop loss again, here in this case then above the candle from the sell signal, and our risk reward ratio of 2.0. And this would have been our trade. And here we would have made a profit within 3 minutes. So I think now we have talked about all the rules that has to be valid. And I would think that now we will start with the backtest. And as always, I will backtest the strategy 100 times with a risk reward ratio of 2.0 in this case. And I will invest 2% of my capital in each trade. So in each trade, I will either lose 2% of my capital or make a profit of 4% back. So I would say we will start now with the backtest, and let's see what the results will be. So guys, as you can see, after a total of 100 trades, we managed to get a win ratio of 84%, which pushed our account about 1,851% into the profit. For these 100 trades, we took approximately 1 week, and the risk-reward ratio was 2 to 1, and on each trade we have risked 2% of our capital in order to make a profit of 4%, and this paid out very, very great. So we had a consecutive wins in maximum with 17 and only a maximum consecutive losses of 2. And yeah, our maximum drawdown were 3.96%, which is actually good, to be honest, and our profit factor was 10.5. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the strategy. Please write down in the comments what do you think about the strategy, if you would test the strategy on your own account as well. If you want to test it, make sure only use it on the paper trading at the beginning to get familiar with it. And if it works for you as well, then you can switch from the paper trading to the real money. So that's it for the video today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and we will see us in the next video. So see you soon.